Good morning, everyone. My name is Vish Bhardwaj. Today we will discuss on verb definition. A verb is a word which used to describe an action, condition, or occurrence, like a state of being. A verb tells us what someone or something does, feels, or is. For examples, she runs fast. Here, runs is verb and it explain like a action. They played football. Here played is a verb. He is happy. Here is a happy because it tells us state of being something. Okay, we have a car. Here have is a verb because it tells us about the possession or states. So here have is a verb. The baby slept peacefully. Here slept is a verb. It tells us about action. Action verb. These verbs shows physical or mental actions like run, jump, write, think, eat, sing, and etc. For examples, she writes every day. Here, writes is a verb, action verb. They played cricket. Here, played is a action cricketer because they're taking some actions. I thought about the problem. Okay. Number two, linking verb. These connect the subject to more information, like for is, am, are, was, were, seen, become, etc. Here are some examples of linking verb. He is tired. The shop smells good. Smells good. Here, smells is a linking verb between soap and his adjective. Okay, she become a doctor. Here, become is a linking verb. Okay, we have three forms of verb. Actually, we have four forms of verb. है ना? Like go, first form, went, second form, which is used in past, and gone is third form, and going is fourth form. Okay, here eat, ate is second form, eaten is third form, eating is fourth form. Write is first form, wrote is second form, written is third form, and writing is fourth form. In a fourth form, verb की fourth form is equal to verb की first form plus ing. Okay. Okay. Here we will discuss about transitives and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are which needs an object. For example, she kicked the ball. The ball receives the actions. Here, ball is a transitive verb because it needs an object. Intransis, intransitive verbs which does not need an object. For example, the baby cried. No object is needed here. Okay. Actually, here we will discuss about helping verb also, like is, have, do, will, can, should. These are some helping verb, also a verb. For example, she is dying. Here, sorry, studying. She is studying. They have finished the work. I will go tomorrow. Here, in these sentences, is, have, will. help the verb. So these called as helping verb. Okay, thanks.